What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you, this is a 2022 Barletta Cabrio. This is a 22 Ultra Lounge UC model. Black diamond exterior with the gray interior. Powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury. It's a really nice boat. From Barletta, really good looking. Let's get up in here, huh? Good front, two couches here in the front. Removable cup holders with the holder right there. Really nice added feature for 2022. Center ski locker. Here's your helm from Barletta, the Cabrio helm. Your Barletta gauges, Hertz Bluetooth stereo system, all your instrumentation, phone holder, RGB lighting system. This boat, I don't know if you can see it down there, will hold 12 people. 12 passenger boat. Lowrance Hook 5 unit, depth finder, fish finder. And of course, the Ultra Lounge from Barletta. This is the best lounger in the business. So many different things you can do. Lay it all the way flat, lounge both sides. Here's a battery switch at the back, ski tow bar. And these chains make it legal for you to ride like this, looking backwards while you're underway. Power Bimini top on all Barlettas. Push of a button. This is a table. Comes out to be a table. There is a removable table that they put in these, but don't usually put them in until the boat is sold. Just unwrapped it. Yeah, thanks for watching.